Estate planning considerations with blended families. Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana estate planning lawyer, and this sometimes is one of the most difficult situations, and that is trying to be fair with blended families. For instance, if you have a husband and he has two or three kids from a prior marriage, and then you have a wife and they have two or three kids from a prior marriage, really what happens when the first spouse dies? You want to take care of the first spouse, but you don't want the surviving spouse to go ahead and, you know, disgorge any assets and cut your kids out of any type of inheritance if you want things to be equal. So typically this situation is best handled with a trust-based plan, and you can do it through a joint trust or you can do it through individual trusts. And the way that you would do it is you would make the trust irrevocable at the time of the first spouse's death. So for instance, if I am married to a second spouse and we each have one kid on the other side, in the trust it would say that could do it a number of ways, but an easy way would be that I would want so much of the money to go to the health, maintenance, and welfare of my surviving spouse. And then I would want so much to go to my child, and the surviving spouse cannot actually amend the trust or close the trust. So the trust would be irrevocable. It could be that it could be a set amount. It could be health, maintenance, education, welfare. There's many ways that you can do it, but the gist is you don't want the surviving spouse to get talked into changing the terms of what you all agreed on initially because by either one of their children, or if they go ahead and get remarried, a second spouse. See, a second spouse can get in that person's ear and they would say, well, they're already gone. Well, don't you want to take care of me? And this, that, and the other thing. So that is most of the time the biggest consideration, is that what you agreed upon now will continue even after the death of the first spouse. We want the things to be set down clear so there's no problems later on and the family is not destroyed. If you have any questions about estate planning for a blended family, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.